Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this style, you're going to need some perm rods of your choice and some hairpins. So I started off by parting out a section in order to do my flat twist. And I decided to do my flat twist pretty big, but you could of course do them smaller if you would like. And basically I just kind of start at the end and start twisting all of the locks at one time until they form a twist, and then I just use the hairpin to hold it into place until I finish the other two. Then I just repeat the same thing, just part out a section of locks. And I just fold them all together and just start twisting and gripping all the locks together until they twist on top of themselves and form the flat twist. And then I decided to just use a hair tie to hold it together until I complete the last one, so I can combine them all together. So once I had all three completed, I just took the ends of all three of them and combined them together into like a ponytail, and then I secured it with the hair tie. So now that that's completed, I'm gonna work on the bun. So to form the bun, I basically took, I guess you'd call them medium size or maybe small size sections of locks, maybe 4 or more locks at one time. And I just started to twist them on top of themselves until they form like a knot or a small bun, I would say. And then I just pinned it into place. I've actually done this before. I have a tutorial of a style that I did with the same type of bun, so I'll link it up above. But it's basically the same concept I did in that video. It's just twisting a small section or a medium-sized section of locks and just twisting them till they twist on top of each other and then form like a little knot or a small bun, I would say. And then I just use some hairpins to pin it into place. So now we're going to work on the bang part, and I'm just going to spray some rose water on my hair to dampen it. And I did use 2 different sizes of perm rods. I did use the white ones and the orange ones. And basically I just make sure the ends are tucked in as I roll my locks onto the perm rod. And then I just roll it all the way up and then secure it at the end. So this is the next day, and I'm just going to start removing the perm rods. So here is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.